We have all seen it. Brilliant minds with PhDs making reckless financial decisions, while a high school dropout quietly builds a fortune. The truth is, getting rich has almost nothing to do with the intelligence. And if you think it does, well, you might be in for a wake-up call. You see, most people assume wealth is about knowing the right stock to pick, predicting market trends, or having some super genius strategy. But the fact is, wealth isn't built on IQ, it's built on behavior. Let's take two examples. On one side, you have got a lottery winners, people who suddenly get millions overnight. You think that they would be set for the life, right? Wrong. Studies show that a staggering 70% of the lottery winners end up broke within a few years. Some even file for bankruptcy. Now contrast that with a janitor. Yes, a janitor named Ronald Reed. No fancy degree, no Wall Street connections. Yet when he passed away, he left behind an $8 million fortune. His secret? Consistent investing, patience and discipline. So yes, intelligence isn't the issue. It's human psychology. And that's where most people lose the game. The biggest wealth killer is emotions. If wealth was about intelligence, economists would be billionaires. But they are not. Because the biggest threat to your money isn't a bad stock pick. It's your own emotions. When the market crashes, panic sets in. When it soars, greed takes over. The cycle repeats. Smart people aren't immune to this. In fact, their overconfidence often makes them more prone to the financial mistakes. Oh, but I have a super high IQ, so I had never fall for that. Yes, tell that to the 2008 financial crisis, where some of the smartest people on Wall Street nearly tanked the entire economy with their brilliant ideas. The real secret to getting rich, if you actually want to build wealth, forget trying to outsmart the system. Focus on spending less than you earn. Yes, I know. Groundbreaking advice. Investing consistently over time, controlling your emotions. When the market plays mind games, it's boring, it's simple. And that's why most people don't do it. But that's exactly why it works. Look, intelligence is great. It helps you solve problems, make better decisions, and win at a trivia night. But when it comes to getting rich, it's not the brain, it's the habits. The real winner aren't the ones with the highest IQ. They are the ones who master patience, discipline, and self-control. So before you stress about being the smartest person in the room, maybe focus on being the most consistent. Because in the end, it's not about how much you know. It's about what you do with what you know.